Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Wi-Fi not showing in settings in Windows 11 or a Wi-Fi missing in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. Uh, Now let's start. The first method is that go to your settings of your Windows. Open a control panel. Go to your network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. Go to your change adapter settings and enable Wi-Fi. Right click and click on enable. Now you can see that Wi-Fi connected. The second method is that in the search box, open a search and type a services and open a services. Right click run as administrator. Click on standard. Click on standard, and after doing this step, find out a WLAN auto config. Now here is a WLAN auto config. Open it and make sure that it's selected the automatic and apply an OK button. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager. After doing this step, click on a network adapter. After doing this test, select out a Wi-Fi driver. So in my case is a USB wireless WLAN card. So select it, right click, click on update driver. Go to your browse my computer from drives. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a driver. So in my case is a USB LAN driver MediaTek in. So click on next button. Now you can see that Windows has successfully updated your driver. Close it. The next method is that open a search box and type a CMD. Open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Open a command prompt and type a first of all command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After doing this type a command is netsh int space ip space reset. After doing this type exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this step, restart your computer. The last method is that go to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, click on network and internet. Go to your advanced network settings. Click on network reset. Click on reset now. When you click on a reset now, after reset that, your computer will be restarted, and after restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.